Hello, in this video we are going to see an example of how to delete a single cookie from browser cookies. So to remove a single cookie we have delete cookie method. So we will use delete cookie method. So let's copy the program, paste over here and change the name to delete cookie. Example of delete a cookie. Here we are opening up URL and then let's log info of all the cookies before deletion. Okay, so to get all the cookies, let's use page.getCookies method and then let's run it. Let's run it. -st method name and test started running. And by the way, this time all the cookies will be returned and we will be seeing that in the logger info. Let's open the code and see these are all cookies. Let's say we want to remove this cookie, and so let's take a name of it, and here let's delete that cookie. So delete cookie, name of the cookie is this in inverted comma, and then we will again print all cookies after deletion. Okay, let's rerun the test and see if the cookie is deleted or not. Test is running. Browser instance created. Open the URL. Get all cookies, delete cookie, and see the report. Here you can see we have find the cookie because it's from the first output, and then in the second output it's in the first output. So this is before deletion, and let's see after. There is no cookie named such as optimize lily and user. That's it.